So if you have watched my craft room organization video number 2, then you would have seen my craft cart. Well, the cute little mint caddies that I had my stuff in just wasn't working for me because it took up too much space and I needed to go upward. So I got these little planters from the Dollar Tree, and there's 3 in each pack. So that's a total of 6, and I used them all. And then I have some cardboard cutouts down there, and those are from poster board. And then I have the little red cups, and then I have a little terracotta pot, and all this is from the Dollar Tree. And I have sand. You can get that at the Dollar Tree or whatever you want to use, but I had that from a long time ago. Now I'm just going to use my curved scissors. They're actually, I think, eyebrow or nose hair trimmers. I don't know. I wouldn't stick them up my nose hole. But anywho, it made it easier to cut those 5 little circles. I'm almost positive I had 5. But I am going to take my tags off. And y'all, these were a pain in the booty. But they weren't that bad. I had fingernails to scrape it. But if you don't have fingernails, then it might be a pain. I tried to pull it a little slower and it did better, but it still left some. But if you pull it slower or maybe use a heat gun, I didn't want to melt it. I'm aggressive with a heat gun sometimes. But anyway, I got it off. And I'm going to use all 6 of these. Okay? You can paint these if you want to. I didn't because I need to use it like right now. So my plan is to put the little solo cups. They fit right down in there, but I want weight in it. That's why I have the sand. Okay? So I'm just stacking, and you'll see this on it. But I'm just going to let y'all know I didn't use it. This is a little, one of those little turn things. They come off the bottom of the Jot pen holders. They have them at the Dollar Tree. They're gray, white, whatever color. And I took it off, and you'll see it on the bottom of this, but I actually did not use it because when I put my stuff in there, it was tipping over. So I just didn't use it. Now I am just going to take my sand, and I was going to try to pour it in my cup, but that mouth on that bottle is too wide, and I couldn't do it. So I got a little spooked. But anyways, I'm going to get my funnel. And I'm going to take my funnel and I'm just going to fill each cup, okay? So I'm going to go through here and I'm just going to fill my cups with sand. Now I'm just going to add hot glue around the edge of the cardboard and slap it down on my cup. And just smush it down to seal all of my little cups. Okay, now, y'all, I got to think about what I did when I do voiceovers because I can't for the life of me remember sometimes. But anyway, I don't know what I'm doing now. I ran to get something, I'm sure. I don't know. I'm sorry. This video ain't very long anyway, so you can bear with it. Oh, E6000. Yeah, I had to find the E6000. So I'm just going to add a little bit of E6000 in these crack holes. I tried to put it on the little ridge, whatever that it sits on, but it didn't work. And then I'm going to take hot glue and I'm going to put my cup down in there. Y'all, I'll get it together in a minute. Bear with me. So I'm just going to alternate doing the hot glue with the cup and then putting the E6000 on the edges. The hot glue is not going to hold for me. I wouldn't think. So that's why I used E6000. I wanted it permanent, and I know it sometimes pops off plastic. So it stinks to high heaven, though. I'll tell you, this E6000 smells really funky. I don't know why in the smaller tubes it smells worse, but anyways, there it was. And then that I didn't glue in. I just popped that terracotta pot right in there. It fits nice and snug. There is my tower. Okay, I know it's all in your face, but that's the way my camera is now. Y'all, I'm dealing with another camera. So I'm just cleaning up glue right here that where the E6000 ran down. So that's what I'm doing. And then my 3-in-1 will go up here. Y'all can see my fabric tack. So I'm going to put my glues and I'm just going to stack this the way that I think that it fits with me. Now you can put pens and pencils or whatever you want to put in here. Markers. This would be great marker storage. Pencils. You can build it as short or as tall as you want. That's up to you. But this is mine, and I love it. Also, instead of using that thing, you can put a Lazy Susan under it, or you can make your own Lazy Susan with two pie pans and some marbles or beads or whatever. And there you go. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so. I would appreciate it. And until next time, you are a blessing. Goodbye.